close, because if I'm shooting a heavy caliber, let's say I'm practicing with a 30-06. If I get too close to my eye to this, you'll feel that for a very long time. So what happens is the recoil brings that rifle back into your shoulder, and you'll catch that scope right up here. It does not feel good. Okay. We don't have any recoil today, so you don't have to worry about that. But that's something to think about. Okay. So once the gun goes off, all the rifles are going to go off. I'm going to say cycle. So what you do is you cycle it, and then you back on safe. You put that gun back on the safe. Then your finger's going to be here off the trigger. Okay. Does that make sense? Any questions? Okay, so what we'll do is we are going to next check out the targets, then we'll check out or the benches, then the targets, then we'll check out the rifles, then we'll load our magazines, and then we'll have some fun. Okay? Does this sound good? You excited? Anybody scared? It's okay.
All right.
It's okay. So the biggest thing here I want to impress upon you guys is it's okay to be scared, but it's like we're going to respect this, right? If we respect this, we will never, ever have something happen to us like an accident or any kind of negligence, okay? Because we're going to do it right, okay? I see you okay? Okay. Just making sure. I see some watery eyes.
No.
Okay, just making sure. And there's ever a point where you feel uncomfortable, just raise your hand, and we'll get you all taken care of. No big deal.